Before you buy a $20 mold test kit, here's what it can't tell you, and what actually can. You typed how to test for mold, so let's answer it straight. There are 3 real ways to test, and the one that holds up when you're buying or selling a home is the last one. First, the DIY kit. You leave a dish out, something grows, and it feels like proof. But mold spores are in every home. A dish with no outdoor comparison and no accredited lab behind it can't tell you how much, what kind, or whether it's actually a problem. Second, surface sampling. We take a swab or tape lift from the spot itself, and an accredited lab identifies what's really there. That's objective. That's documented. Third, air sampling. We capture what's floating in the air and compare it against an outdoor baseline because the outdoor number is the honest yardstick. And to find the source, we map moisture and read temperature differences with thermal imaging. Thermal doesn't see mold. It shows temperature differences that point us toward hidden moisture, and moisture is what mold needs to grow. Here's the part that matters. We're independent. We assess and test only. We never remediate, so there's no reason to inflate a result to sell you a cleanup. Just findings you can trust, verified by an AIHA-accredited lab in 24 to 48 hours. If you're buying a home in Miami, or you just want the real answer, a lab-backed test protects you in a way a kit never will. Independent mold testing across Miami-Dade, Broward, and Palm Beach. Call or text 305-244-7379.